are used in programming to execute a block of code repeatedly until a specified condition is met. Type of loop for loop, while loop, do while loop, for off loop, for in loop, and infinite loop. Type of loop for loop. The for loop is used when the number of iterations is known beforehand. Syntax for initialization, condition, increment. While loop, the while loop is used when the number of iterations is not known and depends on a condition. While, condition, code block to be executed, e.g., filling a water tank, keep filling until the tank reaches full capacity. Do, while loop, the do, while loop is similar to the while loop, but it executes the code block at least once before checking the condition. Syntax, do/code block to be executed, while condition. Real-life process mapped to code. Step 1, make and drink a cup of coffee, first execution of the code block. Step 2, check if you're still sleepy, first condition check. Step 3, if still sleepy, repeat the process by making another cup of coffee. Step 4, continue until you are no longer sleepy. How the do-while loop ensures that the process of making at least one cup of coffee happens before checking if you're still sleepy, reflecting a real-life scenario of ensuring a minimum action before evaluation. For dot of loop, the for of loop is used to iterate over iterable objects, arrays, strings, etc. Imagine you have a playlist of songs that you want to play. Const playlist equals song A, song B, song C, song D. In each real-life example, the for of loop makes it easy to handle repetitive tasks where you need to process each item in a collection one by one. The for in loop is used to iterate over the properties of an object. Suppose you have an object representing a person's details, such as their name, age, and occupation. You can use the for in loop to iterate over these properties and display them. An infinite loop is a sequence of instructions in a program that repeats indefinitely and does not have a terminating condition, or the terminating condition is never reached. Consider a traffic light system at an intersection. Normally, the lights change from red to green to yellow and back to red based on a timer. If there's a malfunction in the system and the light gets stuck on green, it creates an infinite loop of green lights, causing a traffic jam because the other directions never get a turn to go. The condition for the loop is always true, so the loop never terminates. Loop control statements break. The break statement exits the loop immediately when it is encountered. Continue. The continue statement skips the current iteration and proceeds with the next iteration. Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos like share